What's up, y'all? It's your boy Loki the Trickster. I'm in Macedonia, right? I'm in Macedonia. It's like a freaking desert out here. I think it might be 100 degrees. But I successfully made it out of Kosovo. My man Ladix hooked me up with the good night, good party. But it was like a scene from a spy movie. I left at like 5 in the morning. We snuck across the Serbian border, and I got the train in a place called Bujanovac. You guys want to say hi real quick? These are 4 lovely girls from Macedonia. They're on their way home to see the family for a couple days. They're sharing a compartment with me. Check out the scenery. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully tonight I'll be in Athens and kicking it with my family. My cousin Mano, my cousin Gina, and that's it. We do it really big. Hellas. Alright, y'all, stay in the cut. Peace.